Hello YouTube, welcome back at another Roblox teaching tutorial how to script and so in this video we're gonna be showing y'all people how to make a teleport script. So a lot of people have been requesting me how do you make a teleporting script for games like Flood Escape 2 fan-made games. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a lobby and make sure the lobby is not that bad or whatever. We don't need a lobby. So what you do is just insert a part. Yeah, to make a teleport, you need a pad. You need to make a pad. It doesn't have to be that big if you want it to be big. So this is a big pad. So for this pad, we're gonna put it as red. And for this, you need to rename the pad. You need to rename it into part 1. And then we are gonna insert a script in this part so the script can work. So paste that in there, and as you can see, this is the teleport script, which will be linked in the description. So as you can see, it says part 2 right here, right? So we just changed the 2, and then you name it to part 1, you rename it, and then you go back to building, and then you insert another part. You don't duplicate that one, because if you duplicate that one, it'll be the same part of the script. So you don't want to mess it up. So make sure this one is as big as the one that I have. So this one is kind of bigger, but who cares? It doesn't really matter. So for this, we're gonna have to rename this one into part 2. So let's insert a script. First, double left click this to rename it. We're gonna rename it into part 2, and then what you're gonna do is insert object, insert the same script. Okay, now as you can see, this says part 2, and that's part 2. So you see this matches with this. So you have to, scripting is basically like matching. So for part 1, it doesn't say part 1, but you have to rename. Wait, I forgot something. Sorry for the thing not responding, the game. But first, you need, my bad, I'm gonna color this into blue. Yeah, blue. Really blue is a cool color. So and then first you have to change the settings to R6 for sure. As I said in the last video, you don't have to, but for me it doesn't lag, so I recommend you to do it. So these two, the script comes with the parts. So what you're gonna do, oh, I forgot a spawn. First put the spawn so you can spawn where you know where to spawn. So just take the spawn. Let's put it huge, just for me to decorate it. I think you can wait a minute. Yeah, so of course there's a script in the normal spawn, of course. Wait, there's never mind, there's not. There should be a script, so this we're gonna put this spawn, make sure it's green, because green is kind of I don't know what kind of color is it, primary color or secondary color. Comment down below what you think it is. So let's try the game now to see if those two scripts work. They should work, guys. I'm being honest, they should. So let's try it. So let's go in this one. I knew it. It does work actually. So it teleports you to the blue one, and then it teleports you to the red one. So yes, it does work. So guys, thank you guys for lots of subscribers, guys. 64. Wow, we made it in time. So let's get to 70 at the end of the month, please, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And in the next video, we're gonna be showing you how to teleport from far distance, like how to teleport here all the way to that red thing. So we're gonna be learning how to do that. So bye guys, peace.